Hi everyone, this is the walkthrough for the December 5th gas diagonal Serbian Frame Sudoku by Bill Murphy. This is a little unusual, but we do have normal Sudoku rules applying. Each row, column, and 3x3 box contains 1 to 9. Additionally, we have clues outside the grid. The clues at the top and the bottom of the grid give the sum of the two cells that are in the third and fourth positions away from the clue. So this 6 looks along this diagonal. The third and fourth cells are these two. So 6 is the sum of these two cells. The clues on the left and right also apply to the diagonal that they're pointing at, but they apply to the second and third cells. So we're going to be looking at clues affecting rows 3 and 4 for the top, 6 and 7 for the bottom, columns 2 and 3 for the left, and 7 and 8 on the right. And if it would be helpful for you and you're not too worried about time, I would definitely recommend marking where those cells are. The line tool in Sudoku Pad is great for that, or highlighting, or however you want to do it. I'm not going to use it in this case, but it's there for you if you need it. So we're going to start in the top left. That is often a good idea, not always, but often. And 2 in 2 cells can only be 1 plus 1. So these two cells, which are the third and fourth for that clue, are 1. Now the 4 can't be 1, 3 because both of these cells see a 1. So it must be 2, 2. The 6 must be 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. So as we place the lower clues, they affect the higher clues and limit those to only one option. The same is going to work at the bottom. We have 18 here. The only way to make 18 in 2 cells is 9 and 9. Now 16 must be 8 and 8 because we already have the 9s. 14 must be 2 7s because we have 8 and 9. 12 is 6s, and 10 is 5s. Now, some of these clues are also affecting the clues on the left and right. For example, this 12 is pointing at these two cells. So we need a 7 here to go with the 5 to sum to 12. The 11 sees this 9, must go with a 2. The 9 here sees this 1, so that's an 8. The 8 sees 5, so that's a 3. Now this is a little less direct, but this 5 looks into this box. And there are 2 ways to make 5 in 2 cells. But one of them is 1, 4, and we have a 1 in the box already. So this is not 1, 4. It must be 2, 3. There's a 3 in the column, so that's 2, 3 in that order. Same is true for the 15 here. These two cells sum to 15. There's a 9 in the box, so it's not 6, 9. There's a 7 here, giving 8 and 7. Okay, there are some options for the other clues, so let's do a little Sudoku. We need a 6 in this row, because we have a 6 here, it can't go there, so this is 6. We need a 4 in this row. There's a 4 here, so 4 goes here. That leaves 1, 3. That leaves 7, 9. Now, this 9 clue can either be 1, 8, which is fine, or 3, 6, which is no longer fine because of that 6. So this is 1, 8, and 3 there. The 11 clue here can no longer be 7, 4 because of the 4 here. So this is 9 and 2 with 7. The last digit in the box is 1 and 9 over here, and then we need 5, 6 here with the 6. So 5, 6. We haven't done this 15 clue yet. So again, 15 has 2 options, just like we saw over here. This time, we don't have one of the options ruled out by the box, but we do have 6 and 9 in the column. So this cannot be 6 or 9, it must be 7 or 8. So this is a 7-8 pair, the 8 there gives the order. Same for this diagonal with the 5. 1 and 4 see this cell, so this is 2 or 3, so is this, there's a 2 here. And that's all the clues. So now we can just do Sudoku to finish it off. So 4 here looking into this box. There's a 6 looking into this box. We need 1, 4, 5 here. Come back to that. We need 1, 2, 4 here, and there's 1 and 4. And we need 6, 8, 9 here with 6 and 9. This column needs 3 and 6. There's a 3 there. Now that 6 is ruling 6 out of this cell, so the 6 must be here with 9 here. This column needs 4 and 7, and we have a 7 there. That means 4 can't go here, so this is 1 and this is 4. Still have 1 and 5 here. 1 and 4 here is resolved. 2 and 7 is also resolved by the 2. These are 6 and 9 with the 6 here. These are 3 and 8 with an 8 here. Okay, let's look at the middle column. We need 1, 5, 6, and 9. And I can see 6, 9 here, so this is 1 or 5, but I also see actually there are 6s in all 3 of these rows. So the only place 6 can go is here. This is a hidden single in the column. At the top, we need 5, 8, and 9, so there's a 9, 8 there, making that 5, and there's an 8 here, making that 9, 8, 5. We need 1, 7, and 9. Got 1 and 7 there, so that's 9, that's 1, that's 7. These are 3 and 4. These are 5 and 9. These are 1 and 2. And these are 5 and 1. And that's the solution.